This tutorial video describes the fundamentals of storage management using Hitachi Infrastructure Director and contains the following parts. Please note that parts 1 and 2 have to be done less frequently than parts 3 and 4. Once parity groups have been created and a pool or pools have been created from those parity groups, creating volumes and attaching them to servers can be repeated as long as capacity exists in the pool. First, a parity group must be created. Second, create a storage pool from the initialized parity groups. Third, create a storage volume. And only after you create a storage volume can you attach it to a server. Remember that you can only create a volume after you've created a pool, and you can only create a pool after you've created a parity group. Typically, parity group creation is done by a Hitachi Data Systems representative or your authorized service provider. Verify with them that this task has been completed and a storage capacity is available for allocation. If a parity group has not been created, please begin following the steps starting from Part 1, Create a Parity Group. If a parity group has been created and is available, start at Part 2 of this video, Create a Pool. You may continue to create pools as long as you have storage space available. If you run out of storage space, create new parity groups from any available disks that are not formatted yet. Before we begin, you must meet 3 prerequisites. Ensure that you can discover a VSPG 200, VSPG 400, or VSPG 600 storage system. You have brought the new system on board. Lastly, you must be able to view your storage system in the Hitachi Infrastructure Director web interface. First, create a parity group. From the Hitachi Infrastructure Director dashboard, click the Storage Systems button on the left menu to view all of your registered storage systems. Then select the storage system which you'd like to create a parity group for. In the Storage System page, select the Parity Groups tile. In the Parity Groups page, select the Plus tile to create a new parity group. The next page will show the new parity group settings that are derived from a template based on HDS recommended practices. Typically, you should not have to change these defaults. Review these settings, and if you have no changes, accept the default values by clicking Submit. A Job Started pop-up will appear at the top right of Hitachi Infrastructure Director, confirming that the parity group creation job has begun. Parity groups are initialized using Quick Format. This method allows pools and volumes to be created while the parity groups initialize in the background. As parity groups are being formatted, the parity group tiles will have a formatting label at the top. When the formatting message is no longer present or its label changes to available, this indicates that parity group creation is complete. Next, we'll create a new storage pool. Browse back to the storage system with the new parity group and click the Pools tile. In the Pools page, click the Plus tile to create a new pool. In the Pool Creation page, choose the tier from where you'd like to allocate the pool from Platinum, Gold, Silver, and Bronze tiers. Selecting more than one tier will result in a tiered pool being created. Proceed by clicking Submit. Note that the pool creation job is much faster than creating a parity group. When pool creation is complete, browse back to the storage system and click the Volumes tile to create a new volume. In the Volumes page, click the Plus tile. In the Volume Creation page, use the drop-down menus to customize the volume to your needs and proceed by clicking Submit. Once the volume has been created, you can attach it to any server you have registered in Hitachi Infrastructure Director. Browse back to the dashboard and click Servers. In the Servers page, select the target servers. Then, click the Attach Volumes icon and select the Attach Existing Volumes option. In the Attach Volumes page, check the volumes which you'd like to attach to a server and click Next. In the Attach Volumes configuration page, you may modify these settings as desired. However, selecting Yes for Auto Create Zone greatly simplifies the configuration process and is the recommended setting. When you are finished, click Submit to attach your volume. Alternatively, one can create, attach, and protect all in one workflow by starting from the Servers icon in the dashboard. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like more information, click the question mark icon at the top right of the Hitachi Infrastructure Director user interface to browse the Help UI for more in-depth content.